have enough spaces as a university and amatukaya chi university twaigwire chinyinge lakini nche personally I am a technical trainer. I'm an electrical engineer by profession. Ese barian kunyara kumira ku advice gutakande ko batebya ngatiga bakore technical courses icho chira abana bange batara embrace
muna jitivate
TVETs actually TVETs na with the current government yes TVETs cha very empowered na abana bange lakini bakenkonge abali ko take it up lakini bado ntubwate mbwelinga nchitinda genda university however my candid advice gochia sabana bamatemu abasoka rero tigango bange kurigereria nga can they embrace gokora technical courses ngise kurigereria omuraria oise kurigereria cross society no nayo menyete ngise gokoboria kero kindi chi plumber ile ngomanyete nabura nyore gosene yemo gosebabere naende barenge abantu bachagite kare we don't have this young generation taking up these courses while a gap ere nene sana ebwene ere void yani ebwene rete ichorigwe